Hello friends, we are creating amazing websites using WordPress CMS, and this video is dedicated to kids, and we are going to create an amazing website for kids learning center or kids product store in this video. And the theme that we are going to use and overview in this video is really presenting a website in a very modern style, and you can see the four layouts that we can choose with the theme, and the theme name is mod kids. So this is of course modern kids WordPress theme, and mod kids is indicating the same. So the theme has been developed by the Case Themes, and it is a new theme. I believe it has got a very less number of sales, and it has been recently updated as well. It is coming from a Power Elite author. So we are going to check all the things, how this theme is going to be helpful for creating a stunning and modern websites for us. Yes, so we have 8 pre-made layouts, and most important thing about the theme presents the multi-page website formats and one-page website format. So you can opt to choose what actually you want to have. Like if you are willing to create a one-page website with dark home or light home, you have all the options with the layouts that is already built at pre-made website. So without any further delay, let us start creating a demo website using this mod kits, and we are going to rest of the things like how we can easily install the theme, how we can customize the theme, how we can upload the products and all such things during the video. Don't miss any part of this video, and it is important to note you can choose and compare many more themes for the same business category. I mean for kids website on this channel itself, and you are watching the biggest YouTube channel for WordPress resource overviews and reviews. So yes, you should subscribe this channel if you are anyhow connected with WordPress website, and let us begin the installation. All right. To install a WordPress theme, you need a WordPress core installation that you can easily install using the WordPress Manager by Softaculous. I am using cPanel based hosting plan. You can also have the same through the video description link at WP Themes website. Yes, so you can install WordPress core using this option. So I have ready and core installation of WordPress here. Further, we need a theme pack, of course. So we are discussing Mod Kits in this video. So Mod Kits cost $48, and once you decide to buy this theme, use this theme. Up to, of course, after watching this complete video, so we are targeting any of these website using the mod kits, mod kits. So you need to follow the video description link, and you need to spend $48, and in this $48 you are going to get the quality checked by Envato, the future updates for this theme. This is really important. 6 months support from the theme developer Case Themes itself. And in addition to this, we are going to give you all the supports on live chat, and live support program is here. So you can get all the advantages of this program for free when you are buying the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. So only at themeforest.net you can get the authenticated and updated version of the theme pack. Yes. So I have the theme pack, and I'll show you the theme pack as well. So this is core and fresh installation, and the installation is using the 2025 default WordPress theme. And in the theme pack, I have licenses, the plugins, some plugins has been supplied, the theme to install. So we are going to use this installable theme file, which is showing 5.3 MB in size. Okay, so let us begin. And to install the theme, we can simply head to the appearance section. Here we can add new theme, upload theme, and we need to choose the installable theme file here. Only installable theme file. That is under directory theme install modkits.zip. Select this, click on install now. It is very simple process, but I wish to show all these steps considering all types of visitors on this channel. So I'm assuming you are starting very first time with the WordPress, and the theme got installed successfully very quickly. So we can go to the theme page just to check the details. And I'm using the version 1.0.1, which is the latest version on this state. Let us activate the theme, and upon activation we have this setup wizard, which is again going to be very helpful and easy for us. So thanks for purchasing theme. You can now register your product. Okay, right? So we can start here, And yes, after activating the product with the keys, we can proceed for installing the plugins. So install plugins option is here. So all the great plugins we can find here, like Contact Form 7, as always. The case add-ons, this is a required plugin. Elementor is a uh, page builder that has been used. Mailchimp for email subscriptions. Redux is the framework. Technically, Elementor and Redux framework is a very good combination. Revolution Slider for hero image area, and the WooCommerce is of course here when we are targeting an e-commerce website. Quick view for WooCommerce, WPC Ajax to cart, WPC Smart Compare, and Wishlist. These are four plugins are for enhancing the capacity of WooCommerce. So we can simply click on install to install all the listed plugins. So all green marks will indicate us the plugin had been installed successfully, and we need to wait on this screen until we are getting all these icons green. It will take a while because it is downloading and installing the listed plugins here. So it is always recommended to use WordPress optimized hosting plans. So especially if you are targeting an e-commerce website using WordPress CMS, you need a WordPress optimized. Basically, the WordPress optimized things are the PHP resources and the memory and all such resources should be optimized according to the WordPress needs. So you can get all great hosting providers at WP Themes website, and all the links had been given in the video description. Like when you decide to buy the theme, the link of themeforest.net has been given. That is of course a affiliate link. So this is why how we can help you, because we are definitely earning some amount when you are buying the theme through the video description. And it is important to understand all the theme features, the installation steps, the customization options before you decide this theme or any other theme, in fact. So this is the purpose of video, why I am creating all the insight videos before you select a theme or plugin or any other resource for your WordPress website. And if you have any question, you can ask directly with a mentor here. So we are ready to answer your question, most of your questions here directly on live chat. So don't miss this plan. It is absolutely free for you. Okay, so now let us come back to the installation screen. Still, three plugins is to be installed and it is going very fast. So it is an automated process. As I said, you don't need any technical skill for doing all these things. And even you don't need any developer support throughout the development of your website, because we are here. So if you have any single customization issue, so you can ask directly on the live chat, and it is a good idea to onboard on the program, and again it can be free for you. So this is the complete form, and you can join the program and share all the details with a mentor who can help you in every manner in making a successful and performing website for you, for your business, your services and all. Right? So, okay, so it is about to complete. Wishlist plugin is being installed now. So all green marks is clearly indicating all the plugins have been installed successfully, and this is the final check, right? So the next step is of course going to be import a demo content, and this is only option. So we can import the demo. I mean, we don't need to select the layouts. I believe all the demos will be imported in a single attempt. So we can simply go to the import demo option, and this is the option that I clicked, and it is now downloading. So of course it is going to take a while again because it is connected to developer server. It is bringing all the elements stuffs for your website, and on this screen we can choose what exactly we want to import. So okay, so the media attachments, of course we need images, the content, the theme options, widgets, the revolution slider and setting. So by default all is selected. We simply click on import demo, and the next screen is going to show us the progress. So it is very fast, and we need to wait until it reaches to 100%, and your due patience is required here on this screen. Don't hit the back button or refresh the page, because it is connected to import all the elements for your website, and we have to wait here, of course. Okay, great. And it is really cool. So it hardly took around 2 minutes for reaching on this screen. You are ready. Your theme has been all set up. Enjoy your new theme by Case Themes. Visit your website. Okay, so I'm eager to click on this link. And yes, this is amazing, surprising, very ready to use website for me. And I can proceed for customizing the contents, and I will put the contents, I mean the text and images as required. So most of images can be directly used here, and it is complete in all respects. Yes, amazing look. It is really very good. And if we talk about the other layouts, so you can check the, okay, so it is stuck on this screen. Don't worry, it is very simple to handle this issue. So we can go to the backend dashboard. Just in case if you interacted with this screen, go to the backend and go to the settings, permalinks. Here select the post name which is already selected. Just hit on the save changes. It will generate new htaccess file and the issue will be resolved. Just press this and I'm sure it will be resolved. Yes, it is fine. So this is the second layout that we can choose at pre-made websites. It is really very cool, and the design and styling is really very good, and it is a perfect suit, perfect match for kids website. Yes. And the third one, all is available directly at our installation. We can choose one page or multi-page option, since all has been imported successfully without any trouble. And now finally, since all had been checked internal pages, I can check just for testings. This is about us page, and randomly I'm checking. The speed is also very good. So if you are having a fast loading website, you are going to win the digital race, and it is here. Okay, great. So we can conclude that the theme is working fine, installation is going fine. So you can go with the theme, and here you need to spend $48, just 48. So it is below the average price on the themeforest.net, and you can go with this now. And I'm not saying this is the only option. You have all the options to compare the themes on this channel itself. You will find at least 10 themes related to kids website, and you can compare the themes, choose the best that is suitable for your website project. Right. Now I'm taking you to the backend. First of all, I'll show you the number of pages, how many pages we got in this demo import. 35 published pages that we can directly use as our website one page layouts, and the dark layout is all here. So you can select your desired layout, your desired home page. And if we talk about the media library, what number is here? 362 media items have been supplied in the demo import, demo content, and most of the images can be used directly at our website, right? And let us set the posts as well. So which is not very important, however. 14 pages, 14 posts, and if we talk about the products, demo products, of course. So it is all here, and the 19 product had been listed. So all these layouts, all these product listing and the pre-made things will help us in customizing our website. Now I am back at the dashboard, and very quickly I am going to show you all the options what is available with the installation. So ModKids is here, and on the dashboard I have this options like install plugin option, import demo. We have already used the system status, the verification, the enable auto updates, and all these options are here. Install plugin we have already used, import demo, and theme option is the main thing that I wish to show you. Right, so the theme option gives us the all the sections that we can set at the primary level for customizing the website, like global colors, primary color, secondary colors, third color, fourth color, and all the color options are here. Similarly, we have typography change, general settings like site loader styles, the subscribe options, cookie policies, all these things. And the header option, we have mobile header and the desktop header. We can choose the header, mobile, and the footer, and the blog, the portfolio option, the service area, the shop options, and all. So all basic settings can be done here in the theme options area of ModKids. Next, all these things are common at in general installation of WordPress. Portfolio is additional thing, so I'll show you portfolio. So these are portfolio items. You can simply edit the existing content or delete if you are not planning to use. So just make sure your home page is what your homepage is showing. If the home page is showing the portfolio, it is recommended to update the portfolio items at your website as well. So it is totally up to you how you want to proceed for customization. So portfolios here. Similarly, we have WP Clever where we can enable most of the important features at the WooCommerce area. So this is all great options. You can choose what you want to use at your website. A smart compare options, the quick view options, and the smart wishlist option is already enabled, and you can go for basic settings for all these options. However, the default things is already set. You don't need to do any major setting until you are willing to do so. Okay. So the next is the service area where you can update the service and related contents at your website. All can be updated using Elementor Page Builder. I'll finally show you how you can go with the Elementor Page Builder and the commerce and the products. So the all products can be uploaded here if you are launching an e-commerce website. And if you are going to use education related website where here no e-commerce is there, so you can remove the WooCommerce plugin and related plugins. It is again your choice and your requirement. So it is recommended to update all the products, like you can simply edit the listed products following the same pattern. So you can update the details, update the images, pricing and all such basic details, and you can upload your products, what you are willing to sell on the website. Next is very common things adding general WordPress and okay, so slider revolution is the next area that may be important. So for editing the hero image area. So if the slider is being used, you can simply edit the slider contents here. So for, I believe this is layout third that is using the layout. So what you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image and same length of text content for editing the slider, especially slider. And once you complete, don't miss to optimize the file sizes if you are changing the image, of course. So it is all good and it is all simple, and you can simply go for editing and customizing your website and you'll be able to launch your website very quickly. Finally, when we are editing the front end content, customizing or changing the front end content, you can simply go with the Elementor Page Builder. Just open the page that you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor or the respective area that you want to edit. So Edit with Elementor option will load the Elementor Page Builder where you have all the options to change the text and update the text using Elementor Page Builder. And this page builder is very easy to use, as you might be knowing. So it is just like working on a Word file. So it does not require any technical knowledge, in fact. So simply click on the area and on the left panel, you'll be able to change the text. Similarly, you can change the images, background and all. And moreover, if you have any question, don't hesitate in asking any question in the comment section of this video or direct on the live chat on the iGrade program. All the links have been given in the video description. If you need any advice, you can ask a free question here or on the comment, and we are answering most of the questions in the comments. In fact, all the questions in the comment section and most of the questions on the live chats. So it is all for you. Just go for the ModKids. It is, of course, a wonderful WordPress theme for kids websites, kids services, kids education, kids product website. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources. I believe you enjoyed this video and it is helpful in choosing this theme. It remained helpful and you are going to use this theme, but this is not a promotional video. You have all the choices and you can go for other themes as well. And as I said, you can compare things on this channel itself. So let us meet in the next video where I'm going to bring more useful resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching and be in touch. Thank you.